Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video in Adobe Illustrator, we are going to create a letter logo as you can see on your screen. Now we are going to create this letter logo using very simple steps. Particularly we are going to use the shape builder tool. As we all know, shape builder tool is a very effective tool in Adobe Illustrator and it makes our job very easy, the shape builder tool. So let's get started. I will delete this shape first. Now we are going to use very simple steps. Now before starting this is only one variation of this particular logo. You can change the angles, change the colors and change the distances and create some other variations. That doesn't really matter. I'm going to create only one variation of this logo. So if you change all those things, you will get some other variation of this same logo. So first of all we need a line tool. Now we are going to select the outline color and turn off the fill color first. Now press and hold shift. Now selecting the line segment tool and press and hold shift button and create a straight line. Now again we need to copy this, so press and hold alt key or option key and use the shift button so that it moves in the straight line. Now we need to create some more copies of this particular line. So we need to create 8 segments. So this is one segment, so we need to create 7 more segments. So press and hold Ctrl D or Command D. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Remember, for this particular variation I am going to create 8 segments. You can try with different segments as well, and the distance between the two lines you can vary it. It is not a fixed distance. If you vary it, you will get a different variation of the logo, so you can try it out. So I'm going to select this now, and again I'm going to copy this, alt or option and copy, and rotate this particular set by press and hold shift button and like this 90 degrees and place it over here. And you can also create this to a group, Ctrl G or Command G again. Now I'm going to delete the 3 lines from the vertical segments, 3 lines, so we will get only 5 segments. Now put this over here and now rotate this. Angle also doesn't really matter, you can try with different angles. I'm going to rotate this a bit more and just make sure that all the lines are intersecting with the horizontal lines. So you cannot make this like this, so this line is not intersecting with this line, so all the lines should intersect with each other. That is the important thing. That is the only thing actually which is necessary to get the logo which we are looking for. So this is what we get. Now again I'm selecting this and alt or option copy again, and now we need to reflect this, flip it horizontally, so using the reflection tool. So double click on the reflection tool. The shortcut key of reflection tool is O. You can simply double click and vertical, flip it vertically, press OK. Now again we need to make sure that all the lines are intersecting like this. Now we need to make sure that I will delete this and I will change the angle a little bit more like this, and I am placing it over here. Again I am going to copy this and again double click. Okay, now make sure now this every line is intersecting with each other. Now make sure that why I removed the previous set, because we need this particular area over here, we need this space, otherwise our logo won't work. That's why I removed the earlier segment. So this is how it should look. Every line is intersecting with each other and we also need this particular space. So now select all the objects. This is very important. Before using the shape builder tool, we need to select all the objects and select any color. For example, the black color was already on, so I'm going with the black color. You can select whatever color you like. Now choose the shape builder tool and start from over here. Simply create these lines and 2 right here. You can look it very slowly. You can pause the video as well. And like this we are creating a very simple yet attractive logo, neat and clean. Now we can stop over here. Now this is first portion of the logo. Now we can start over here and we will end up right over here, and again we can start from this side and we can stop over here. Now you can always start from here and we can always end here. You can use the different variation, you can try different variations. Now again we only need to keep this particular section, so simply delete the remaining areas which is there, remaining parts, simply delete them like this. I think I have deleted all the lines, so delete all the lines. Now you can choose whatever color you like. I will prefer a gradient, maybe like this. Now you can choose a background color as well, so I will create a rectangle and I will apply black color so that this logo color will pop out, and we can send it right to the back by using the arrange send to back. So this is one variation of our logo. You can always use different colors, different distances, different angle to get a different variation of this same logo. So it is that easy to create this particular logo. Please press Shift F to full screen. Now you can use, this is the result that we have got. Now this is a very neat and clean logo that we have created using very simple steps. So you can always try different variation. So do give it a go and have fun with it. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.